Your DWX Dental Mill comes with the necessary software to operate the device, as well as Windows driver and a digital copy of the user's manual. You can install the Roland vPanel software, Windows drivers, and user's manual all at once to save time. Start by inserting the included disk into your computer. Do not connect the USB until instructed to do so. Click Install when the pop-up window appears. Follow the on-screen instructions. Remove the software disk from your computer. Turn your DWX power to on and connect the USB cable from the mill to your computer. You're now ready to set up the DWX mill.